What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Darnell. This is Doing Stuff with Darnell, and I know I look like me in the kitchen again. I start off every video like this. Don't worry about it. It's just looks good to me aesthetically. But we gonna eventually be in the gym. I gave y'all the bicep workout. Now it's the back. We gonna work on shredding that back, get that back shredded. Y'all, the muscles and stuff showing. I would show you with mine, but nah, let me stop. Y'all see it downstairs. I got a couple exercises that will target certain different areas of your body that you need to work on. It's pretty good. Sorry, my camera did a thing. But like I was saying, the workout is pretty good. It gets you pretty pumped. It gets your back shredded. And you know, no shirt season is around the corner. So you gotta have your front and your back right. And that's what we're working on. So meet me downstairs and we're gonna get this workout in. You know. What it do? I finally made it to the gym. We're gonna start with rows, because that's one of the best back workouts you can get. It hits the, work the traps, work the upper back. I don't know the technical terms, but it's exactly how you wanna go. And this, you can go heavy. I can get up to probably like 140 with these. If I go to the gym and they have 140s, that's a blessing, but it is what it is. So basically you wanna get your weight, I think about 45. One leg up, the arm that you're working with, that leg back, and you want to pretty much roll. Like anybody ever turned on a lawnmower? You pull, there you go. You want to get that elbow up and out. You feel that stretch in your back. So probably hit this about 3-4 sets. It will be pretty good at probably 12, depending on what weight. As you go up weight, you probably go down reps. So that's the goal. As you go up weight, go down reps. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Starting with 45s, because in this gym we only get up to 50s. I think it was some 55s in it, but somebody stole them. That's what happens when you live in an apartment. So can't control what weight. So yeah, just pretty much just a roll. So you hit 1, 2, keep that back straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch it out, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like I said, this hits the upper back and the not triceps, your lats. And so that's the single arm row. Let's see what we got next. Okay, people, I'm gonna keep the camera low because I'm gonna be low and I don't have my camera woman here today. So we are going to do, I think they call Pendlay Rows. I'm not sure. I'll get the right spelling down, but I'm not sure what they call it. But it's pretty much a row, a deadlift roll, pretty much. So you want to back straight. Let me move this. So like I said, you want to go back straight. You get your weight. You put them up, drop them. 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 Put them up. Oh, so with this, pretty much it's like rowing dead weight. Instead of having hanging, you're just dropping them on the ground, pick them up. That's good because it's the same as deadlift. I like to do this because it's like pure strength. You're just picking it up from a dead position. You go as high as you want to. Once again, I got 45s, and that's what I'm gonna use. And don't worry about slamming them or dropping them or setting them down like light. Just drop them. It's weight. This is gym. That's what you're supposed to do. Pick shit up, push shit down. Here we go. Last set. Back straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm back. The next workout we got is a dumbbell pullover. Oh, I feel it in my back already. So we got dumbbell pull-up. Basically, you get the, I'm going low weight, I'm going 20s, just to show you. You wanna get on the bench, slide down the bench, back, top of the back is on the bench, get your weight. Oh, stretch it back, bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love this one. This is one of my favorite because I feel like it works my whole back. It works the top, then when I'm holding my core and everything works the back. So let me switch sides, maybe get y'all a better look at it from the other way. Legs out, core tight, back up, top of the back on the bench, shoulders really. You can go diamond or you can hold right here. It's easy for if you go diamond. Put it between here. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't drop your what to go. Keep your back straight. You do that, you can hurt your back. Keep your back straight. Keep engaged here. Once again, I'm sitting down because that's where the camera at. So this is one of the more simpler workouts. All you need is a band. If you don't have a band, get you one. So it's basically back pulls. So you wanna go here. Let me go back some so you can see it full back. You put the band on your wrist, band over here, and just pull. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You hit that about 12 times. It's nice. Like if you don't have a machine like this at home, this is good for at home if you got dumbbells, especially so you can do all the rolls and stuff. But if you got a band and you don't have lat pull downs, it's a good one that works your lat all up in here and whatnot. So you hit this about 2-3 times, 12 reps, 3 sets, 12 reps, you'll be good. 1, 2, 3. This is something you should do probably last in your back workout because you really gonna feel it. You're really gonna feel it. So if you don't have any bands, get you one. I could put a link to these bands in the description below. I have no sponsors yet, but hopefully one day this brand of this off-brand Amazon brand will sponsor me. So once again, you need a band for this. This is a good home workout. We're going flies, back flies, reverse flies, however you want to call it. Usually flies are like this and you target the chest, but if you flip the band, put it on this side and go backwards, you're targeting the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's reverse flies. You hit in the back, you hit the upper back, which is good. Because with the rolls, you hit pretty much the lower back. Now you're hitting the upper back, and now you're about to be backed out. You do this about, once again, 3 sets of 10. You get that shredded back. I would take my shirt off, but it's people over. Sorry, it's people over there, so I don't want to scare anybody. Big black man in the gym, scary. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, another set, probably 12. And to end it out, I'm just gonna go straight to it because I have this bench now and I am on this. I said bench, I have this bench. I'm gonna go Superman's. You can do this on the floor, on the bench, whichever way is comfortable. Since I got the camera right here already, I'm gonna do it on the bench. So Superman's is, you ever been to Six Flags and you're on a Superman ride? Pretty much that. You here, you flat, arms out, and you go up. This way, 1, 2, 3. This target's like the lower back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's way easier on the floor. It's probably my first time doing it on the bench, but it's way easier on the floor. I gotta balance out and stuff, so it's way easier on the floor. Once again, you hit this towards the end of the workout after you roll and everything. It's a good almost stretch because you're not putting any weight on it. Well, at least that's what it is in my head. It's a good stretch because I'm not putting any weight on it. But you hit this about 3 sets of 10, or either you can hold. You can do holds. So sometimes I do like 3 sets of 4 or 5 with a 6-second hold like this. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that's a hard one. The holds are pretty good. It's just like negative curls and stuff like that. Anytime you want to hold and contract, that is good. That's why when I'm doing a lot of exercise, I'm holding my abs, keeping them strong, keeping them tight, so I won't hurt anything in my back, because that's just like central nervous system. So you keep that right, your whole body is right. So there you have it. You have the best and my favorite back workouts to get a shredded back. Yes, you can roll more if you had a band, but this is for people that, you know, only have the at-home stuff or a few dumbbells that you can use. If you don't have 50s or 40s or 60s, you can do more reps of 20. If you do single leg, single arm roll with a 20, hit it 20 times on each side. I'm telling you, you're gonna feel it just as much as if it was a 50. But thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my last curling video, the best biceps to get bigger arms, and make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and you know, do all that good stuff for my page, please. I would really appreciate it. And you know, get these back shredded. It's the summer. We ain't trying to wear no shirts all summer. Mess around with no pants too. Nah, let me stop. But yeah, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching. I am Darnell, and I am out.